Guys, on our way sa itinerary namin for today.
What's your itinerary?
So, what's the first itinerary? Maghanap ng breakfast. Yes. Say hi!
Hi!
Let's go. Daming kinonstruct dito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, oh. It's too... Yan, papunta doon. Dami. Guys, bumili lang ako ng Bershka. Bumili. Orange juice. Very fresh. Ang ganda church yan. Oo, it is. Church nga. Dami nilang church, guys. Pero, wala pala. I was gonna say something. Kaya sabi ko, pero, I was gonna say something. Kaya sinabi ko yun. Look at that. So pretty. Ayan o. Ang ganda. As a photographer, ayaw ko ng pan. Ganda!
Ito yung dinaanan natin, di ba, Wana?
Oh, magpipicture-picture kami dyan.
Bakit may arko din sila? 15 minutes?
Tagal mag-green. Ayan. Let's go!
Di ba natapos yung vlog mo pa ako kagabi?
Hindi! Naantok na talaga ako. Daming tao ulit, as usual. Pwede palang umupo sa ground. As taga-bit-bit ng bag. Kasi tapos na akong mag-picture. We're on our way sa Sagrada. I think that's one of the famous church, diba?
Yeah.
Sagrada. It's kind of like Gothic church. Feeling ko naman lahat ng church dito parang Gothic din eh. Diba? And it's so cool.
Really old style.
Yeah, very old style. Ayun na yung Sagrada. Oh my God, it's so nice, guys. Kakadaldal namin. Hindi namin alam. Andito na pala kami. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Kaso lang, ano pa siya? Under construction pa. Look at that! Tingnan yung mga details. Tapos meron na siyang angels. Before daw wala pa yan. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Papasok tayo dyan later. Mga 2 o'clock. Kasi may ano kami, binook to get inside. Pag Sunday, 'di ba? It's free kasi may mass. Oo. Kaso hindi naman Sunday ngayon. So beautiful. Guys, naglalakad kami sa likod ng church kasi andito yung tour guide.
This way, ladies.
Yes.
Please Sagrada. Straight ahead. Ako pala yung...
Because she can't go into Sagrada.
Better like that. Kasi yung mamaya nandun na yung
Ha?
Baby, holy water.
You know holy water? So ano to? It's not for drinking. Ha?
Urinal pala to, no?
Wala namang sinabing no portable. Oh, only for washing your hands. 11 minutes to go, guys. Before we enter. Go inside.
I'm 34, I'm a local, was born here in Barcelona.
Guys, siya pala yung architect ng Sagrada.
Spanish or Catalan postcards. Feel free to ask. That's when. Now let me welcome you first of all to the most visited monuments in this country, in Spain. In 2019, for example, the year before the pandemic, almost 5 million.
Ito pala yung yung front ng Basilica. Tapos yung nakita nyo kanina, pala yun, likod. Likod siya ng Basilica. Bago yon. Ito naman yung old. Tapos yung sa likod, bagong nila, gawa. Tignan mo guys, may scammer. Na-scam ako niyan. Asan ba yun? Yan. Yan. We're here na sa line. Sa line. Tignan nyo yung details, guys. Tignan nyo yung details. Grabe. Grabe yung details. Taas. Closer. Oh my gosh, tignan nyo. Magbibigay siya ng ganito. Para marinig natin siya. So, we have to wear this. Susuotin natin to guys. Wait lang.
Field trip in Barcelona. Hindi nyo kaya yung school namin. Sa Barcelona. Sa Barcelona ang field trip namin. Hindi nyo kaya.
Para marinig nyo siya guys.
Para marinig mo. Paano niya siya? Maririnig ko na siya. Ang lakas. Okay ba? Paano ko siya naririnig? Nandito.
Meron na siyang bike eh.
May mic.
May left right ba? Pwede pala na ang lakas eh.
Ayan, narinig ko siya.
Over.
Mic test, mic. Diba ang lakas?
Ang lakas. Nagulat ako. Kaya nga lakas.
Ano sa inyo? Parang choppy?
Sapi ba? Sapi rin.
Okay. Sabi sa'yo?
Okay.
Ayun. So, mag-iintay kami dito.
May sound music. We have the old style MP4.
True. Tapos mga 90s.
Well, she's being told by Angel Gabriel that she's going to be the mother of the Son of God. That's of course the famous scene of the Annunciation. You can see the Virgin Mary once again kneeling down while she's being crowned by her Son Jesus Christ, Empress of Heaven. Jesus Christ.
Eternal life.
Right? We're going to move towards that
True.
right side. That's all talking about the Holy Scriptures. Looking proud of the scene, of course. You can see here these two figures, Joseph and Mary, his parents. Next to that, next to Jesus Christ, actually both sides.
Wow, we're inside.
or at the top, let me show you this sort of branch size stained glass.
Oh, yeah? Yeah. Ito lang siguro yung pinaka-beautiful na church na napasukan ko.
Mainly for we have just look at the man with the white beard.
White beard.
Imagine this man wearing broken shoes, torn clothes, on the ground, barely breathing, covered in blood. You probably think he's a homeless as well. Familia, they brought his body and his gravestone to the crypt of Sagrada Familia. The crypt is inside. If you go back inside, you're going to see. You cannot go down to the crypts. You cannot. You can actually see the crypt through some windows.
Ang ganda. I think it's a wood. Wood, no? Ang ganda. Parang naka 3D, 4D. Di talaga 4D. Real. So nice. Door siya, guys. Door. It's a door. Guys, we're done. So, maghanap kami ng restaurant. Kakain kami ng lunch and we're so hungry. Sasakay kami ng bus. For the experience. For the bus, ang mga person. Oh, Ana, you go first because you have to pay.
What's that?
We're gonna eat lunch.
Lunch at 6 p.m.
Lunch at 6 p.m.
Lunch at 6
right?
p.m.
Time to eat paella, burger, and another burger. Let's eat.
Meron siyang squid.
Ano? May laman yung ulit.
We're back! Diba? Dito yung, isa sa mga tourist spots. So, daming tao. Marami ding, yung daanan, look at that. Parang inaayos. Maraming inaayos. Papunta dun. The other side also. See? Yung daanan, inaayos. Pero maraming tindahan dito. It's like next to each other. Ano siya, mga restaurant. And it's so may aswang sa likod ko. Tapos ito, this one. That. Famous na yan. Famous na parang public market. Tapos, pwede ka ding bumili ng mga, tawag yan? So, mga candies. Pupunta tayo dyan later. Hinihintay ko lang kasi silang matapos I don't know what they're doing actually. Ay, ako pala hinihintay. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's go, guys. Nasa baba na tayo, guys. Yan yung hotel namin dyan. Sa baba tayo dito. Tapos yung sinabi kong market is there. That. Tapos ito yung sinasabi kong may inaayos sila. There. Aray ko. Ayan. That one. Tapos andun ako sa veranda kanina. Doon. Somewhere there. Yan, market.
Oy, wala kasi. Nakita sa akin yung point ko, I cannot resist.
Is I'm talking about. So, Justin likes this one. Ang daming tao. Ayan ah. Ayan ah. Guys, ang sarap nito.
Pili tayo na ito, hati-hati ko.
Sabi ni ate masarap daw yun. Try natin ulit.
Parang masarap ito. Yeah. This is good. Parang na-try ko, parang sugar to eh. Kinote ng almond.
Uy, that's like pili in the Philippines.
Kaya nga!
Diba? Ganun yung nangyari sa kanina.
We're gonna try. Thank you.
Masarap siya pero hindi kaya ng gangka.
Hindi magkasyo ka.
Okay. Gusto ko pa try din. Wala natin, bukog na kami.
Teka mo nga. Ay, ito masarap to.
Cashew.
Try.
This one is very good.
Magkano ate?
Dark chocolate or dark chocolate?
How is it, girls?
Ayaw mo na makabili niya? Ito. Kaya nga bumili yung babae kanina. Kaya nga ang dami ng bili ng babae sa kayo mangga. Yun ang dalahin nyo.
Oh, mangga!
Masarap?
Ayaw mo ng strawberry.
Pao, masarap?
Sarap ko, strawberry.
Pineapple.
Mangga lang. Pineapple, mango.
Gutom ka, girl?
Soft lang din.
Ang sarap.
Show them.
First time na namin dito. Hindi ako ng Pilipinas sa trip.
Ay, next month.
Vidal phone.
Thank you, ate.
Uy, wait.
Ay, may sukli pa pala. Sorry. O, bili na kayo dito.
Fight another dinosaur. Look at those